Hello everyone, and welcome. In this demo, we will learn how administrators can edit or override student attendance that has been marked by teachers in openSIS. From the dashboard, navigate to Attendance. Under Attendance, click on Administration. This opens the Attendance Administration page, where administrators can review, update, and manage attendance records submitted by teachers. At the top of the page, we have two filters. The Attendance Date filter allows us to select the date for which attendance records need to be viewed or edited. For this demonstration, let us select June 11, 2026. Next, we have the Attendance Code filter. This filter allows administrators to display students based on a specific attendance status, such as present, absent, tardy, late, half-day, excused absence, or unexcused absence. Now let us look at the Advanced Search feature. Click on Advanced Search. This opens a panel that allows administrators to filter students using various search criteria. For example, administrators can choose to search across all schools, include inactive students, or filter records using student information such as first name, last name, student ID, grade level, section, enrollment details, demographic information, and many other available parameters. For this demonstration, let us filter the records by grade level. Select 9th grade, then click Search. The student list is now filtered to display only students from grade 9. Similarly, we can search for a specific student by name. For example, let us enter Ackles in the last family name field and click Search again. The results are now filtered to display only students whose last name is Ackles. Now let us return to the attendance records. The table displays the list of students along with their daily attendance, which represents the attendance originally submitted by the teacher. If an attendance record needs to be corrected, the administrator can use the Override Daily Attendance dropdown. Click on the dropdown. Here, administrators can select a new attendance status to replace the one previously recorded by the teacher. For example, suppose Kevin Bacon was mistakenly marked as present, but the student had actually attended only half of the school day. In this case, the administrator can select half day from the dropdown to override the original attendance record. If required, administrators can also add comments by clicking the comment icon. This allows additional information or the reason for the attendance change to be recorded for future reference. Finally, if an attendance record needs to be removed completely, click the Delete icon under the Action column. The system displays a confirmation dialog before deleting the attendance record. Click Yes to confirm the deletion or No to cancel the operation. This completes the process of editing and managing student attendance from the Attendance Administration module in openSIS. Thank you for watching.